Okay, everyone, so every single day we're getting so many updates and we're getting closer to the moon. So be sure to like for more content like this because we're going to be looking at some important updates. First thing, Bitcoin is here for a long time. Basically, Shiba Inu is gonna be here for a long time and it's gonna be growing in the future, and I found some new articles that you might be interested in. But Bitcoin itself has seen very little change over time, but the perception of it is completely different. So the first thing that happened when Bitcoin crashed is the ECG narrative. Basically, Bitcoin mining is not powered by enough clean energy, Bitcoin consumes too much energy, and much of Bitcoin mining occurs in countries such as China and are not specifically known as transparent or ECG friendly. But the most important thing about this is for Shiba Inu, they were calling the same thing. Shiba Inu is a scam. Shiba Inu is a meme coin. We were seeing sort of FUD, and it's following the same patterns as Bitcoin is. So Shiba Inu right now had so much FUD, so much accusations that it's a scam, that Shiba Swap is fake, so many things. And now it's, slowly but surely getting the trust, getting the big project, and getting those long-term holders in from what we were seeing. And uniting the Bitcoin and Shiba Inu community is the most important thing. Seems like as Bitcoin is reaching El Salvador in September, that's when Shib is going to be seeing that big price jump. But in the background, there are Bitcoiners who are working hard at pushing Bitcoin adoption around the world and developing the Lightning Network. And all we have to do is wait right now because Bitcoin is not going anywhere. It's keeping strong, and as it gets adopted more and more, and this is my news basically to you, that Shiba Inu is possibly gonna be much bigger when it gets featured in banks, when it gets featured in saving accounts. I think that's really important to know. Thanks of the diligence of Bitcoiners working together to expand the Bitcoin adoption. Same happening with Shiba Inu. The developers are working right now on improving Shiba Inu. But Bitcoin is able to remain anti-fragile and it's not going to get destroyed even with the price drops. But I think Shiba Inu is here to stay as well because we have destroyed all FUD there is. It has been able to overcome all major obstacles in no small part because Bitcoiners are able to shape its new narrative. And a lot of these banks are calling Bitcoin a bad thing, and obviously that's just not true. There's so many transactions happening in the banks for Bitcoin that sooner or later more and more countries are going to accept it. El Salvador already accepted it, so other countries will follow. To tackle this is that Bitcoin cannot scale enough to be used as currency. Many Bitcoiners have quickly been working on the build of the Lightning Network over the past several years, and it's a work in progress. It's a bomb that's about to explode, and Shib is going to be on the train. Basically, right now, we're gathering up the steam engine for Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin grows, Shiba Inu will probably grow 3 times as Bitcoin. The altcoin boom is probably coming, and overall it receives surprisingly little attention. I expect that sometime in the future the sudden success of scaling solutions will transform Bitcoin's narrative again from investment to an actual currency. So right now it's an investment, right? To a lot of new people it's a risky investment, but it's trying to become the next currency, just like with El Salvador. And it's slowly but surely becoming the next big thing we're seeing in the market. But we're here for Shiba Inu, right? We want to see Shiba Inu grow as it's slowly getting that progress. Seems like we are seeing massive adoption for Bitcoin, which will in turn impact actually grow Shiba Inu's prices. So Russia needs to move Bitcoin to provide a real financial instrument, enabling independence in foreign trade settlements. And even poor El Salvador, known for being close to off-mentioned Honduras, has realized the need for digital currencies and taken a simple path. And this, being as a country's legal tender is the first big thing. For recognizing Bitcoin with its high transactions is a bad thing. Well, obviously it's a good thing for the short term, but as they are going to be looking into more cryptocurrencies, Shib is surely one of them. Recognizing Bitcoin as a means of payment, and Shiba Inu is going to be that because it's going to have low fees, it's going to have all of those transaction things, and that's what I'm excited about. The Ripspaka window criticized the central bank for its non-committal response to crypto industry development. So there's Paka, one of the clear leaders in Russia, for a Russian oligarch, has been stating that crypto is actually the future. And I think if multi-billionaires are telling you that, Shiba Inu and crypto overall have a strong potential, especially the most important thing about Shiba Inu is its decentralized utility. I think a lot of people don't realize how early we are. And I keep saying this every video. They argue that the bank was short-sighted on crypto, and a lot of big institutions are actually finding that out now. And as we see for Shiba Inu, China's crackdown shows industrial Bitcoin mining a problem for decentralization, but Shiba Inu is always staying decentralized. The point of Shiba Inu is to be fully decentralized. In May, China announced that it would be getting tough on crypto mining and trading as a response to financial risk. The nation's crackdown on crypto is not new, rather it's reiteration of previous standing on the risk of digital currency to economic stability. For the first time, cryptocurrency miners are being targeted to enforce the existing guidelines. So of course, this does not stop Bitcoin at all, and Shiba Inu just follows stronger than ever. If Bitcoin goes up, Shiba Inu will follow its path. And it's very simply put, if Bitcoin reaches 100K, we could be seeing a massive catalyst for Shiba Inu as it, gets boosted. Those crucial updates, we could see a lot of different things happening for China. But even as China completely bans crypto and starts doing jail time for crypto users, I think crypto is never going to die. Simply put, too many institutions picked up on it now. And by 2022, I'm expecting another bull run, especially over here. If we check going back to Shib, what about the number of questions in an AMA? Since I've been here, the Shib army is the biggest response I've ever had. And I'll take this time to show my weekly Security Leaderboard live podcast. And seems like Satoshi, the CEO, saying that Shib being one of the biggest out there, one of the strongest, we are definitely really, really strong, and we're going to be reaching 2 million pretty much soon. So if you check over here, there's so many actual announcements going on. No selling Shib 1st July to 31st July. Shib army, don't sell your Shib on July. And people are trying to already do a big campaign. And with 600,000 holders, I think this pretty clearly shows you that Shib is here to stay, because it's not only becoming a full movement, but it's becoming a fully decentralized community. And now all we have to do is wait. All we have now is time. Yes, the market is, slowly crashing. It's going to be crashing many more years, and it's going to be going up many more years as well. No one could actually predict what is going to be happening with Bitcoin in the future. But I think it pretty clearly tells you, if you get posts like this, that we are actually a fully decentralized community now, which is something institutions are looking for, which is something big organizers are looking for, and it's only time before Shib explodes. Very simply put, big investors do value privacy. They do value the power of community. Just look at the GameStop stocks. Just look at AMC stocks. And I think it's pretty clear here that Bitcoin doesn't have the same power. It has a community, don't get me wrong, but it's not so connected. It's not so strong as Shiba Inu right now. So in the future, we could be seeing some potential updates that change Shiba Inu forever, with the CEO and the team working day and night. Now, we're going to be seeing much more updates than just this, just more updates than Shiba Swap, more than Bone. We're going to be seeing so much more. People are making their own video games. People are shilling it everywhere, looking to Shib extremely cheap to buy now for $11 or less. You can probably get 1 billion coins worth of it. And that was back, in 13th September 2020. This guy would be rich, basically. But it's really exciting to see what kind of promotion is going on. And I think this will stay that way. We could be very soon growing a lot. Until next time, peace everyone.